Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Everything. Today we will know how to fix a green screen issue that normally occurs in your web browser or in Chrome browser while playing a video in YouTube or in different platforms. So let's go direct to the topic. Open Chrome browser. In the right upper corner where the three dots are visible, click on that. Open settings and now open the advanced tab, then click on system. In the system you will find use hardware acceleration when available. You have to tick that. Okay, then relaunch. Okay, now you are able to see the videos that are not visible previously. If you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and comment. If you find this type of videos in future, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.